Good morning everybody, this is Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. It's a very cold and dreary day in Bangalore today. It's raining, and what better dish to make today? I thought I'd show you how to make a very quick and easy Anglo-Indian pepper water in your microwave. It's extremely easy and very fast to make a pepper water in your microwave. You could either make it in a bowl or you could make it in a teacup, whichever is convenient for you, depending on the quantity that you would like to make. So come, I'll show you how we'll get started. So first of all, you'd need a good microwave safe dish. I have this one with handles so that it's easy for us to remove, but I also just keep it on a plate because it's easier to take out from the microwave. So we'll begin by adding our tempering items in the bowl. Now the secret of a good pepper water is in the tempering. As you know, the curry leaf and the garlic and the mustard is what gives it its taste, besides all the other ingredients. So I'm going to start showing you how to start with the tempering. Keep watching. So we first of all start with pouring 1 tablespoon of oil in your dish. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. A few peppercorns, maybe like 8 peppercorns. Okay. Then 2 red chilies broken into bits. Maybe like 1/4 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. Then I have about 6 whole cloves that I have just smashed roughly with the skin. So this goes in as well. And then about 8 curry leaves that I've just rinsed and I'm adding them here. So these are your tempering ingredients. I'm going to cover this with a lid and put it in the microwave. I'm going to microwave on high for just 1 minute. So 1 minute and start. So while this is the tempering is getting ready, I'll tell you about the other ingredients. So we need 2 tomatoes that are chopped, maybe like 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, just a pinch of turmeric, and of course you'd need around 3/4 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, because that's what pepper water is all about, pepper. And we need cumin powder, around 1 teaspoon. So, and of course salt to taste. These are the ingredients for the microwave pepper water. I'm not adding tamarind juice because it's a very simple tomato pepper water. So come. Now our 1 minute is over. You can see it now. It started to smell very nicely. What I'm going to do is put it for 30 seconds more because the mustard hasn't spluttered. So it's coming on to the last 5 seconds, and yes, it's ready. You can see that the garlic has fried. The ingredients are all, you can see it's still bubbling. What I'm going to do is going to remove this and keep it aside. And we'll add the tempering ingredients at the end. So this is our tempering ingredients. We're just leaving this aside for some time, and in this same bowl I'm going to add all these other ingredients. So first I'm going to add in our tomatoes. Then just a pinch of turmeric. As I said, just like 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. This is a mild chili powder, so it's not very hot. Just to give color. About 3/4 teaspoon of pepper. And around 1 teaspoon of cumin. We'll add salt to taste. Okay, going to mix this up. And going to add 2 cups of warm water. Because the bowl is hot, you don't want to add cold water. So around 2 cups or 1.5 cup of warm water. Okay, give it a nice stir. And close it once again. Going to put it in for 2 minutes. I'll put it for 1 minute and then again for another minute. Once again, another minute. So let me tell you that Anglo-Indian pepper water, as you know, tastes very different from the rasam or pepper water, what they say, that is made by other communities in India. Please don't buy rasam powder and try to make Anglo-Indian rasam, because it would be completely different in taste, and you wouldn't enjoy the authentic Anglo-Indian pepper water taste. So these are a very simple ingredients. Of course, if you wanted to make it a little sour, you could always add some tamarind water or even lime juice. But since the tomatoes are tart as it is, I am not using tamarind in the pepper water. I hope you will be able to make this at home and enjoy your pepper water. And now you can see that pepper water is ready. I'm going to remove it now. Can see a steaming hot bowl of pepper water. Now we're going to add in the tempering ingredients. You can see our pepper water is over, steaming hot, and you can see there you go. See, our awesome pepper water is ready. It hardly took around 5 to 6 minutes to make it, and it tastes really, really good. You could enjoy this with rice and any side dish, fried fish or chicken fry or any other side dish, and with a vegetable. For a rainy day, this is the best. I hope you will also try this very small recipe of mine, and this recipe is featured in my recipe book, the microwave cookbook of Anglo-Indian recipes, where I have simplified all our everyday Anglo-Indian grub that could be cooked in a microwave. So this is my cookbook, the microwave cookbook of Anglo-Indian recipes. You'll find this recipe, how to make it in a bowl, as well as how to just make a small cup of pepper water in a hurry if you need to drink a cup of pepper water. Available on all online bookstores and especially on Amazon. And I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did bringing it to you. Please do like and share it if you like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's Bridget White Anglo-Indian Recipes. Thank you for watching. I can't tell you how aromatic my whole kitchen smells. Thank you for watching. Bye.